Hello, it's Kevin here again. Another video. So this is continuing our series of the 4 academic task runs from Cambridge 19. So we've done 1, 2, this is number 3. So this is a process. I'll show you the picture there. Actually, I just put it a little bit small on the screen. I'll put a copyright disclaimer if you're watching this on YouTube, so fair use, etc. This is taken from Cambridge 19, so we can see it's a cycle. So it's, this picture didn't translate particularly well, but if you've got Cambridge 19, this is test number 3. Anyway, it's that whole thing about the carbon dioxide, turning ethanol into a biofuel, etc. Now, got some vocab for you at first. So we're going to break it down a little bit. So, some things for task achievement score, alright. You can see here you've got a clear overview. Okay. Overall ethanol production is a multi-step process. Okay, so you need a clear overview. Logical sequence. The process starts with plants and trees. So you've got a good, detailed and relevant description. For cohesion and coherence, like it says, clear sequencing words, first, then, next, afterwards, during, while, firstly, secondly. So you need a logical progression there. Okay, so you can take a look at these afterwards. Lexis, using the precise terms, harvesting, processing, extract, produce. A variety of vocabulary enhances the clarity, and grammatical range and accuracy. So now, for a lot of these, you're going to be using passive voice, is then transported, is emitted, because we don't know who's doing the transporting. So passive, and because it's a scientific process. So that is pretty good. Again, you can pause this and have a look up and down. Now, let's have a look. So, I'm not going to read the whole thing, I just put it on the screen so you can see it. So you've got your introduction. All that you do, you tell us what way we are looking at. The diagram depicts the process involved. Okay, got to paraphrase that a little. Clear overview. Multi-step, throughout the cycle, blah, 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 blah. Then start the process. Alright, so in the next step, etc. Okay, so that's pretty much it. It's only 191 words. You can maybe make it a little bit shorter, but this is average for task 1. If you do 150 words or 150-ish, it's usually not quite enough to capture all the stuff that you need to capture. So anyway, you can take a look at that one. That's pretty good. Pretty good indeed. Now we've got a couple of student responses to this one as well. We'll take a look at these. Now the first thing, this one's a little bit short. If you compare this one with the previous one, 155 words. So you can see they could have easily extended the introduction and extended the overview. Alright, so if it's too short, it's not so good. So word order uses sunlight as an energy source. We don't need an article in front of carbon dioxide. We don't need the commas there. To extract the cellulose, you don't just say in them. Now this, the process on them initiates. That's not good phrasing. I'm not entirely sure what you actually mean there. The process on them initiates. On them, so that doesn't work at all. And this is kind of obvious. Those driven on land, such as cars, to the ones flown in the air, like aeroplanes. Okay, so it does the job kind of, but it would be certainly falling way short of a good score if you compare it with this one. Okay, now we've got another one. Little longer, I think, this next one, 185 words. Now this one's better. You can see by upping the word count, by describing more, how it can make a better impression on the reader, on the examiner. Presented picture depicts. Okay, you could maybe put a little more in the overview, maybe. But then in the first step, definite article, the atmosphere, transferred to, not for. Water vapor, not vapor water, and the CO2 returns to the atmosphere. So that's not bad. Better than the first one. But if you want to see a pretty good answer, take a look at this one. You can see it here. Okay, you've got a good clear introduction, overview, and this is where you get a lot of marks, having a good clear overview. If you look at the criteria for writing task 1, which I've showed you before, so I won't show you again, that's important. So okay, that's pretty good. I'll just leave that there. You can pause it and take a look at it, and like I say, we've got some vocab, breakdown of the criteria, how that works, etc. So hope that helps. We'll be doing number 4 next. Can't remember what that is exactly. I'll get Cambridge 19 out, we'll take a look. But anyway, that's it for this one. Hope that helps. Okay.